Hello and welcome to this mini course on healing the traumatised brain. This course is designed to help you understand how the experience of trauma early in our lives can impact on brain development and psychological well-being, and learn how you can repair your brain and heal from such experiences. I am Dr. Zoe Webb, a clinical psychologist working in private practice, who has worked with children, young people and adults with early life trauma for the past 11 years. In this role, I support individuals and the people around them to understand how these early life experiences might continue to impact on them in the here and now, and find ways of repairing from those experiences so that they can experience healthier emotional well-being in their lives. Over the 4 lessons that make up this course, we are going to firstly learn about typical brain development and about how the brain responds when exposed to everyday stress. In our second lesson together, we will look at what we mean by early life trauma, and we'll consider the changes that such experiences can have on how our brains are structured and how they function under more extreme or prolonged stress or adversity. Following this, in lesson 3, we will look at the difference that can be made by having the support of others in healing the traumatised brain. And then finally, in lesson 4, we will look at some strategies that the individual themselves can use to manage some of the symptoms of trauma.